commercial interior fit-out contractors goes to Bright Interiors. May I please invite Mr. Dheeraj Arora, President, to kindly come on stage to receive the Right Choice Award for the most trusted commercial interior fit-out contractors. Let's welcome him with an applause when he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, put your hands together for Mr. Dheeraj Arora, President of Bright Interiors. And Bright Interiors is an interiors project contracting firm providing complete end-to-end solutions for interior fit-outs. They are also specialized in corporate cafes, bakeries, retails and other commercial interior projects. Congratulations once again.
People sitting in the audience and the ones who are winning awards, they are the true stars because they impact each and every one's lives, be it healthcare, be it education, be it the services sector. So I'm very happy to be a part of today's proceedings and thank you for having me here.